Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain how to create CAD model from 3D drawing and how to create SolidWorks 2D drawing. So this is level 2 and exercise 3 part modeling. So let us start the new part. So initially I am going to create this base, later I am going to create this flange and this boss and this rib feature, and finally the whole features. So select the front plane, go to sketch, select sketch feature and create one rectangle. Select this line, right click and select midpoint, press Ctrl and select this origin so that this will be symmetric. So total height is 100, okay, and see the total width is 18 plus 18, that is 36, plus 60, it's 96. So (96). Okay, so thickness and go to Extrude Base, say OK, and this thickness is 18, 18, say OK. Okay, so save this file, say part 2. Now right click and I'm going to select the color, slightly brighter color. Okay, save this file. Now I am going to create this base. So select this top plane, go to sketch, keep it normal. Okay, select this center line, select this midpoint of this edge, take this line. Okay, now the distance is 80 plus 60, at the center. So it's 140. Say okay. Now select the center line, circle, and it's 18. Okay. So this is just for reference, because we should not create holes initially. So keep it as a construction. Now take center point arc, select the center and just place it here. Radius is 18. Okay, say okay. Now once again take center point arc and place somewhere here, because I am going to create this. There is a small arc of 35 radius and a tangent line and a straight line. So 35 radius. It's 35. Say okay. Now select this center point and click Control and select this line and make it coincide. So this is on the line, and the distance between the center point and is from this edge is 80. See, at the center point and this edge is 80. So select this edge and center point and make it 80. Okay. Now take one line, select this edge and this point. Okay, and one line and select this. So next what I need to do is I have to constrain. Select this and select Control and make it tangent. Say okay. Select this arc, select Control and make it tangent. So this is constraint now. Now select this line and this arc, Control and this arc. make it tangent. Now what I will do is I am going to mirror these three entities. Select mirror entity. So these three entities I am going to select. So mirror about this center line. Say OK. This is done. See here, just click on this point and make it coincide. Otherwise loop is not closed, so it shows an error. So select this edge, convert entity. Okay, now go to trim option, select these two lines, okay, this loop is closed now. Go to feature and go to extrude, and thickness is 18. See, it is mentioned here as 18. Okay, say OK. See here, I have not given the fillet feature. If I give this fillet in the sketch, then I will get this error, unable to create this feature because of zero thickness geometry. So we should not give initially. So I will explain when we need to give the fillets. These three fillets here, this fillet and this fillet and these other two fillets. So I'm going to explain later. So next is I'm going to create this boss. Select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal, and select this midpoint, press Ctrl and click this line and make it vertical. So it moves along this line. So next is distance between this edge and the center. So we already seen that it is 80. Say OK, and this diameter is 50. Say OK. Now go to extrude boss. So better visibility, keep it in an isometric view, and this height is 40. Say OK. Now I'm going to create this rib feature. So thickness is 10 and see, thickness is 10 and radius is 80. Okay, so select right plane, go to sketch, keep it normal, and better keep it in wireframe. So select 3-point arc, select this edge and this edge, this corner point. See, radius is 80. Okay, say okay. Here we need to use one trick. See, if I select this edge and try to extrude or use any extrude boss or riff feature, we can't create it because it is exactly at the tangent surface. So when I use this edge, once again I will get this same error, unable to create thickness. Because of zero thickness, unable to create this geometry. So what I need to do is, I need to use small trick, keep it normal, select this edge, go to sketch and offset other side. Okay, almost equivalent to rib thickness, so it is 10 mm. And select this edge, convert entity, select this edge, convert entity, and select this edge, convert entity. Now go to trim, corner trim, and select these two edges to close the loop. So loop is closed. See, now go to Extrude Feature. So I'll keep it in solid. So I'm sorry, so this loop is not closed. See here, go to trim option, keep corner trim, go to extrude, give it in isometric. Okay, now keep it in mid plane, so it should be symmetric, and thickness is 10. Say okay. See here I am going to tell you one simple logic while creating model. Whenever we create a model, initially we will try to add materials. See, extrude boss, because see the extended feature whatever I have done, it is merged in this solid boss, so I can easily create whole feature. So that is the advantage. So whenever we create any kind of model, we have to add material, then we have to go for removal of material, that is hole, cutouts and all these features. So next I'm going to create holes. So select this sketch, keep it normal, and go to circle and go near to this edge, and you can see this enter. Go to feature, select cut option and select up to next. So if you give up to next, you don't have to measure what distance you need to remove material. So this is done. Next, these two hole features. Say distance is 18, here also is 18, typical, and the hole, 3 holes are 18, 3 into 18, so diameter is also 18. Go to select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal, and select two circles, Okay, next select this circle, press Ctrl and select this circle, make it equal. Next select this center, Ctrl, select this circle, make it horizontal. So these two are aligned. Now go to dimensions, smart dimension, and give this 18. Say okay. So other side also is 18. So this dimension we don't have to give in because we have automatically constrained with align option. Now select circle diameter. Since we have given 18 equal, so both the diameters are 18. Say okay. So go to feature, cut extrude, and after next. Keep it ISO. Say okay. Select this face and select sketch, keep it normal, and select circle feature and select that at the center. And this is also 18. Say okay. Go to feature, cut option, and say up to next. Keep it in ISO. Save this file. See here, whatever the material removals are there, whole features, I have removed the materials. See all the three. So addition of material, remove of material. Next I will go for fillets. This fillet, this is 13R. Next this will be 18 radius, since because the hole is 18 diameter and it is concentric, so we have to take it as we have to take radius as 18. So go to feature, select fillet, select this edge, and this is 13, and select other edge also. If I create the same thing in the sketch, it is not possible because it is meeting at a 0 thickness. So initially I told you that this fillet feature should not be created in sketch to avoid the this kind of errors, 0 thickness error. Okay, so next is fillets, other fillet. Select this, and it is 18. Okay, save this file. So now my component is ready. Now I have to create a drawing. So go to new file. I will take A3. Okay, now go to model tree, model view, select this part and place it here, and see this right side view would be front view. So view size is fine. Now go to select projected view, select this, okay, and isometric. Okay, now go to annotation, select this. See, whenever there are two circles, we have to select outer edge so that the center line forms perfectly. Okay, this is done. Now I will try to give the dimensions. See, total distance is 176, and this is 100. So total volume occupied by this component is mentioned now. Okay, now I will try to provide this radius. See, whenever there is a complete circle, so we have to show it as diameter. So this show displace diameter and flip this arrow. Okay, and this diameter is 20. Okay, and this radius is 35. So it's 13. Now the distance between this edge and center 80, and this center point to this center point is 60. Okay, now rib thickness is 10. Distance between these two edges is 30. So try to flip this arrow. Okay, now and diameter is 18 and the radius is also 18. Okay, now see distance between these two holes are mentioned here 18 and 18. And this is 60. So these are very much important. So overall distance we should keep it as reference dimension. So keep it in bracket. Okay. Okay. So and this is 18. Save this file. Okay, and the boss height is 40 and this thickness is 18. So I hope all dimensions are covered. Only this radius, see this is 80. So now you can understand how to read the drawing and create CAD model. See how to read the drawing, how to create CAD model and create 2D drawing. Thank you very much.